welcome to my channel. I am Rishav and in this video I will tell you the C++ graphics video in which I will move a circle on whole screen. Okay, so here you see I include three header files. First is graphics.h, conio.h and dos.h. So here we make a comment moving circle. Okay, so here you see the header files. I use dos.h header file because I use delay function in our program. Okay, so then I write int main, then I take g driver and g mode integer data type, then I write init graph to initialize our graphic mode, and here bgi location, then I use set color and I take light red color, then I use a for loop. Here I take I less than equal to 600, okay, and I plus plus. Then I use clear device function so that the circle when move does not print before in whole screen. Okay, then I take circle function and x coordinate I increment by I, and here I take y coordinate 200 and 30 as radius. Okay, then I use delay function and I take 4 millisecond. Okay, so that when our circle move it slows down and we can easily see it. Okay, then I copy this for loop and again paste it below, and here you see I decrement y-axis and here I decrement x-axis. These are the coordinates I have written to move our circle. Here I use I less than equal to 300. As you see in this program, I use here I less than 550, and this is the circle function. Okay, again I use for loop and here I give delay 4 and again get ch to hold our screen, close graph to close our graphic mode, and return 0 because I use int main, okay, as our main function. So I write return 0. Then by pressing Ctrl F9 you see the output, and here the circle is moving on whole screen. Okay, so I thought you have learned by seeing this video. If you have any queries, comment below in comment section, and like this video if you find it helpful. Thank you. Bye bye. Watch more videos of mine by clicking here in watch more button and subscribe my channel to stay connected with me. Meet me in next video. Bye bye.